everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my Advents for December the 23rd. So let's go ahead and go right here, and here is the 23rd, and in here is glass head pins, and oh, they literally just laid them in the box. So here's a bunch of glass head pins. I'll lay them on my desk gently. Make sure I got them out of here without stabbing myself. Alright, so that was glass head pens. And the wooble. Oh, how cute. Love this. In the wooble we got another tin. And it's a woobly wonderland. And it slides open so we can put our items in it. And I love how they're carrying the Christmas tree. I do have one from Haverland. Actually, I have two. I'm going to open one today and one tomorrow. So this is from Haverland. And in this one, we have a piece of candy. And we have a mini skein. Don't pay attention to the confetti, sorry. There it is. And it is a Better Watch Out. And that is very pretty mini skein. Love that. So we'll set that to the side. Yeah, that's just confetti in there. And we got one coming out of the Hearts on Fiber and one more for the Southern Skeins. So Southern Skeins, we'll open that up. Alright. And here is Southern Skeins. Oh, it's a darker, more reds than greens. That's really great. Here was the yesterday and today's. These are fantastic. Love those. And then the Hearts on Fiber. It's squishy. Oh, that's really pretty. Alright. And this one is, it's glittery. It's sparkly. They're both sparkly, actually. It's hard to show you the sparkles in there. This was today's, and this was yesterday's. And they're both sparkly, so I love these. These are really pretty. Absolutely love these, though. These are pretty awesome. I'm enjoying these Advents. So stay tuned for tomorrow, the 24th, which is pretty much the last day of the Advent. All right. And stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.